In this video, we are going to learn how we can create pivot table in new worksheet. Before we create pivot table in new worksheet, we have to keep in mind that we have to format the table. So to format the table, first click any cell where our data is there. Like I am selecting A5 cell. Then go to Home tab over here. Then go to Style section over here. And in that, click to Format as Table icon. In that, select the design as per our own requirement. I am selecting in medium this blue one. The moment I click this design, new window has appeared. Now just click OK. The moment I click OK, new tab came and that tab name is Table Design over here. Click that Table Design tab and go to left hand side. Here we will get table name over here. Change that name. I am changing to Sales Data 2. Just remember, don't leave space between alphabet. As our data is formatted as table, now we will start to create pivot table in new worksheet. First select any cell from the data. Then go to Insert tab over here. Click this Insert tab. Then go to left hand side in Table section over here. And in that, click to Pivot Table. The moment we click to Pivot Table, some option will come. In that, select Table/Range option. As we click to Table/Range option, new window will appear in front of us. In that, complete range of cell will be selected in Table/Range option over here. Below that, we have to select new worksheet over here. After completing this, click to OK. The moment we click OK, new worksheet has appeared in front of us. In this new worksheet, we will get three things. One, Pivot Table, Analyze and Design tab over here. Second, Pivot Table field in right hand side over here. Third one, Pivot Table Beginning tab over here. Now we have to just drag and drop the field we want in the respected box. So in row label, I will drag month. In column label, I will drag type. And in value, I will drag sales. So like this, our pivot table is ready in new worksheet. Our pivot table is ready. If we have done format as table, then whatever we add or delete row in our data, it will reflect in pivot table also. Now let's take an example. First, I will click to sales data worksheet, this one. And in that, I will go to last row over here. And I will copy entire row by pressing Ctrl C. And I will paste below that row by pressing Ctrl V. Now click that worksheet in which pivot table is there. This sheet 1. Click any cell inside pivot table over here and do right click. Then click refresh option. The moment I click refresh option, amount of ice cream in December month over here is changed from 144,627.50 to 147 650.10 over here. So like this it affect pivot table when we add or delete row. So try this in your Excel worksheet and I will see you in next video.